Assalamu alaikum. Today is our lab 4 and we will continue doing IC experiments. Last time we did one experiment related to 7408 and today we will do about 7402. This IC is actually for NOR gate. So let's start our today's experiment. In today's experiment we will be using this setup in which we are using components like battery, a resistor with our LED, battery plug, breadboard, logic IC and our jumper cables. So these are the components we will be using for today's experiment. Before starting our experiment, let's talk a bit about NOR gate or the IC which we are using. So in today's NOR gate, we will be using the IC named 7402. As you can see this IC, this is a 7402 IC and here 7402, its number is mentioned there. This IC is same as the 7408 IC in the physical sense but not in the structural form. Physical sense means that it has also 3 and 1 7 legs on this side and 7 legs on this side, and this is the symbol for NOR gate. Actually NOR gate is having one NOT gate, that's why it is NOR gate, and this is the representation of NOR gate. This we already studied in our gates, and this is the truth table for NOR gate, in which if the inputs are 0 0 then the output will be 1, if the inputs are 0 1 the output will be 0, if the inputs are 1 0 then the output will be 0, and if the input are both 1 still the output will be 0. So today with our experiments we will prove this truth table by performing this on our IC. This is the layout for our today's IC, in which you can see 7 legs here and 7 legs here, and same like the previous IC, the leg 14 will be used for VCC, this means for the positive terminal, and leg 7 will be used for the ground, or you can say for the negative terminal. Now this IC can perform 4 applications related to NOR gate. As you can see in the IC there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 NOR gates are there, in which every NOR gate have 2 input and 1 output. Here also 1 output and 2 input. So instead of performing these 4 applications, we will perform only 1 application by using this NOR gate. So from 14 legs you can see 14 was for positive, 7 for negative, and rest of the legs are for input and output. 1, 2 and 3 is one NOR gate, in which in leg 1 is used for output while leg 2 and 3 are used for input. So today we will be using leg 1, 2, 3, 7 and 14. So now we will because in every experiment first we will do the experimental setup or a block diagram. In the block diagram we will set up the same experiment, all the components, and then we will perform the experiments one by one. So let's start the experimental setup. First of all, we will take a breadboard, IC, and we will connect our breadboard with the battery. One side of the battery, that is negative, is connected with the negative terminal here on the breadboard, and the positive side is connected with the upper side of the positive. So this means this whole row, this will be acting as a positive line, and this will be acting as a negative line. So this means if we connect any of this hole with this, it will act as a negative, but if we'll connect any of this with the hole, then it will all perform positive. So our first step is to take the breadboard, put our 7402 IC on it, and connect our battery. There is no need to connect the battery on this stage also. You can just connect these two wires and leave the battery. We can connect this battery in the end also when performing the experiment. Here this 7402 have 14 legs. So leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 legs on this side, and these are the 7 legs on another side. So this is our first step. Now the second step is we connect this 14, because this is 14 leg, we connect this 14 leg with the positive terminal here. So this is our first step, because here we do this connection, so this means whole this row is positive now. Third step is connecting the 7th leg with the ground or with the negative. So if this point is connected with negative, so this means all these holes are negative. So this was our next step. Next step is we have to connect our output. So output on 7402, as we studied early slide, is on leg 1. So we connect one side of the leg 1 with the resistor and another side on any of the hole. Why we connect resistor? In our last experiment we did, because we are using 9-volt battery, so in order to save our LED we will use resistor. We will not directly put LED, because LED will give output, but we will not put direct LED. We will put resistor and connect our this resistor with the LED. How we will connect? We will connect like this. One leg of LED is positive, that is long leg, and the another leg is negative, that is small leg. So we will connect this big or long leg on this hole, because this hole is connected with resistor. So this means resistor is connected with the positive terminal of the LED, and negative terminal of LED is connected in another hole, because here we have to give the negative charge. And how we will give negative charge? Like this, because here it will connect with this, and this is the negative charge. So our this step is also completed. Now the final step will be putting output wires. So this is output wire on leg 2, and this is output wire on leg 3. Now we have positive terminal on our 14 leg, negative terminal on our 7 leg, and output resistor on our leg 1, and this resistor is connected with the positive leg of the LED, and the negative of LED is connected with this wire and the negative terminal. Finally leg 2 and leg 3 are for outputs. So on leg 2 we put black wire, while leg 3 we put brown wire. So this is the experimental setup or block diagram. Now one by one we will start putting these components on a real breadboard, and this we will do in our second part of our video.